Hello, this is Chinedu. In this video, I'm going to go through the newly launched Legendary Marketer Learn, Launch, Lead 5-day challenge, which was only released this month, May 2024. Now, before we go ahead, I need to disclose that I'm an affiliate of Legendary Marketer, which means if you purchase any of their courses through my affiliate link, I will be paid a commission. Now, the 5-day challenge replaces the old 15-day business builder challenge, which I don't know if you have gone through it, but it was a powerful training which introduced people to digital marketing. I was one of many students who took that training, and many have used it to launch their businesses online. So that 15-day challenge has now been compressed into 5 days. So the 5-day training, as you can imagine, is quite intensive, it's action packed, and it will teach you the high income skills to build a business online or start a side hustle. So if you're looking to start an online business and you're not sure where to start, I would recommend you look at this program. Now, if I scroll down this page, which is where you will land if you want to enroll into the program, you will find David Sharpe here. As you know, David Sharpe is the CEO and founder of Legendary Marketer, and he will take you through the training over the 5 days. Now, what is in the program? So, if we go down this page, we shall come to the first day, day one. So, this is the day you're introduced to digital marketing. You will learn about the core four, which are the niches of high ticket affiliate marketing, online courses, coaching and consulting, events and management. These are the four core areas where you will learn from Legendary Marketer. These are the four areas they concentrate in their training and in their courses. You'll be introduced to funnels, and in fact, you will learn how to start building your first sales funnel for your business. You'll also be introduced to the top niches, and if you've not chosen one, you'll be given a list of the top niches to build an online business. So the day one is about introduction, about funnels, about picking your niche. Now coming to day two, so the title is Launch with a Focus on Content Creation. Day two mainly is about faceless marketing. Now, many people are scared or have this fear of showing their face on social media, on videos. They're scared to use their voices. So, day two is about faceless marketing. You will learn how to create videos without showing your face or using your voice. So, day two will also appeal to experienced entrepreneurs who have not been exposed to faceless marketing. So day two, very important. So is day three, which is lead with confidence. And on day three, you're going to learn how to create short form videos. You'll be taught the strategies to create videos that people will stop and watch. So day three, very good, very, very powerful training for content creation. Coming to day four is all about mindset. As you know, your mindset is the most important factor in succeeding in any uh, work, anything in life. Your mindset is most important, and so it is in business. You need the mindset first of all to get started, because that takes some doing to get started. Many people don't. And when you start, you need the mindset not to give up. You need the mindset to keep going even when things are tough. So you learn about patience, about passion, about persistence, perseverance. You will learn to build your business for the long run. You are not looking for overnight success or get rich quick schemes. No. When you build your business, you should be looking at putting in effort, putting in the investment in time, sweat, money to build your business. So your mindset is the most important factor, and therefore, I think therefore to me is the most important there in the 5 day training. Now, on day 5, you will attend a business plan class. So on this last day, you should be now developing your business plan, and you'll be put through how to develop your plan and implement and act on your business plan. So day 5 is equally important. So by this time, you should have known your niche. You should be setting up your funnel and know how to launch your business. So this, in a nutshell, is what the training involves. So introduction on day 1, funnels, niche. Day 2, faceless marketing. Day 3, content creation, particularly short form videos. 4, mindset. And day 5, you develop your business plan. So if we come down this page, you will get all these bonuses during the training. You will get top converting funnel templates to build your funnel. You will receive a video script to help you create your bridge page video. This is the video on your funnel, on the second page of your marketing funnel. You get a script to help you um, produce that video. You will receive email templates, Facebook ad templates, and launch with short content, which is some strategy to create short form video content. You will receive a customized business plan to help you set up your business. And you have the option of a one to one business advisor. Now, Legendary Marketer has business advisors, and when you first log in into this program, you'll be given a choice to either go through the training on your own or to pick up um, uh, some some guidance with a one-to-one advisor. Now, if you're new, I would recommend you select an advisor because they will guide you through the training. They will answer your questions. They will, you can call them if you have any queries, and they will guide you to help you implement your plan as you go through the training. So the one-to-one advisor is optional, but if you're new, I would recommend you select one of them. Now, the training is $5. It costs $5, which I think is incredible value because there is so much content in this training. It's intensive, it's jam packed, and I believe it's worth more than $5, but that's how much it costs. So it is cost effective. And the great thing is that you have a 30-day money back guarantee. So if within 30 days you are not satisfied with the training, you contact the company and they'll refund you the $5. But I'll be surprised if anyone does this because having gone through the training myself, it says there is so much knowledge, so much value in the training, and I would recommend the training to anyone looking to start an online business to learn the skills required to build a business on the internet. So, once again, just going through the program quickly: introduction, um, content creation, lead with confidence with short form videos, your mindset, and your business plan. So, as you can see, it is jam packed, it is intensive, it is a great program to start your training, and I would recommend it to you, um, especially if you've not gone through any training in the past, or even if you've gone through the 15-day challenge or any other training, this is up to date with new strategies, new marketing tricks of the trade, as we call them. You will learn all those in this training. So I'll leave a link in the description if you want to get started. I will also leave a link to some incredible bonuses if you sign up through my affiliate link. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will answer them. And so the next thing is to please subscribe to my channel. And if this video has been valuable, give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching once again. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.